A huge challenge people face when they first start learning the piano is the coordination between their hands. So I've put together 5 steps that, as a beginner, you need to be able to get through in order to learn piano effectively. And you can treat each step I'm about to show you like an exercise. Practice them until you feel comfortable and then move on. And once you can do stage 5, you'll be well on your way. So let's get started. The first stage is tapping. So we're not going to worry about playing the piano just yet. I want to see if you can do this. So we're going to start off by creating a beat with the left hand, like this. And you can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So groups of 4. And in your right hand, you're going to tap on the first of every 4 beats, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I want you to swap that round and do the 4 beats in your right hand and the 1 in your left. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we're going to take what we just did, but we're going to double up the beats in the right hand. So on the first and the third beat, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you swap it round, so the 4 beats in your right and the 2 in your left. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This next step can get a little bit confusing when you first try it, because what you're going to do is you're going to take those rhythms from step 2 and you're going to alternate between the 4 beats in your left and the 2 in your right, and then the other way around, 4 in your right, 2 in your left. But you're going to not stop between the changes. So you can start off by changing every 2 bars or 2 groups of 4, like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you change to the other side straight away. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see? And then you can try speeding it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then once you can do that, you can try changing every 4 beats, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And so on. So you can go as fast as you want, but if it's a struggle getting that coordination to start off with, just start off super slow. And so on. Now you've got used to the coordination of those rhythms, the next step is to try them out on the piano. And we're going to use a simple chord progression to do this. So now you're not only thinking about the coordination of the rhythms between the hands, but also moving the hands to the correct notes on the piano. And we're going to start off using open fifths in both hands. An open fifth is when you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and just play with your thumb and your pinky, or your first and your fifth. That would be on C there, so your left hand's going to do the same. And the progression would be on the C, then up to the E minor, but it's just an open fifth, so on the E with your thumb and your 5 there. Then up to the F, and then the G, and that's it. So we can start off with the rhythms from stage 1 if you want, but I'm just going to dive straight in with the ones from stage 2. So starting with 4 in your left and 2 in your right, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then swapping round, so 4 in your right, 2 in your left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then alternating. And then alternating every 4 beats. And finally, we're going to add a nice harmony into the right hand so that you've got a coordination exercise that you can enjoy practicing. So in the right hand, what we're going to add is a sixth harmony. So in the left hand, we're playing the first and the fifth. So in the right hand, you're going to play the third, which is 1, 2, 3 up from the root. So in this case, it's an E. And then you're going to add a sixth on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So then, if you just go through that, it sounds nice. It's got a nice harmony between it. So just quickly through the chords there. The right hand is the G and the E, of the E there. And then the A and the F. And then the B and the G. And then you can do what we did in the previous step, but with those harmonies in the right hand. Like this. Swap it around. Then alternating. Hopefully you've made it to the final stage. If at any point in the earlier stages you're struggling, then just slow it down and just go over the coordination super slowly, and then eventually it will click and you'll be able to gradually speed it up. And if you enjoyed going through those exercises, then you'll be ready to watch this video, which will show you 7 ways that you can level up your piano playing using chords.